SonyAlpha.
Hello, my name is Nick Ng and I'm Sony Malaysia's ambassador as well as their KOL. And today I would like to introduce to you the world's lightest and smallest full-frame camera. And it is a one-hand full-frame camera, which is the new trend now. So this is the new Sony A7C. Now the good thing about this is it's so compact and it's so small, and it is a full-frame camera. And the second best thing is, if you look at it, it's the variable tilting screen, which allows me to actually go down or go up without any problem. So for tight situations as well as for creative and very extreme composition, this variable screen allows me to have great compositions without me moving too much up and down. So I can just one handheld and focus and shoot. The other thing is, because it's so compact and it's a full frame, the image quality inside is so good that once I take it and I can just zoom in and all the details will be shown, even on 100% crop. So this is the latest full frame, and I'm immensely impressed because of the eye tracking, which allows me to actually get every single shot sharp by just focusing, and the eye tracking will do its job. So this is the world's smallest and lightest full-frame camera. And for me, as I'm considered a professional photographer, I can actually use this on my travels abroad. It is so light, I don't have to carry a lot of gears with me, and with just and maybe one 35mm lens with another lens, say a 55, I can shoot during my travels for most of the things. Little body, light and compact. I love this actually. It really, for instance, this morning we were going around Chowkiat. There was like 4 a.m. in the morning, very low light. Okay, now I found this uncle who sells porridge and he has already woken up about 3:30 and all that. Now imagine 3:30, 4 o'clock. It's very low light, right? Now coupled with this Sony FE35 f1.8, I am able to photograph the uncle and give a super sharp and very not noisy at all image. And if I zoom in, everything is sharp. The eye tracking helped me, seriously helped me. Of course I put it at f1.8 and everything in the background is blurred smoothly. And this is very good for that. When we went to Kampong Baru, now I saw a kid playing with the Malaysian flag. The kid is running very fast. Now I'm able to shoot every single image of him running, pop, and at each single image of him is super sharp. I just use one hand, hold it low to the ground, and then just shoot and follow him around. And the whole system, the eye tracking, one hand held, everything mixed, every single image normal into extraordinary. And this is what I'm looking for. Being a twice award Sony World Photography Award winner, the quality of each image is very important. The places I go and the people I meet, I get very close to them. Now this small and very compact camera allows me to get very close, very personal to the people that I'm photographing, building relationship, and I can actually capture the extraordinary moments of them and bring it into something that I can remember for the rest of my life. And I believe that this compact camera will allow me to go where I always go, to photograph cultures and people, and to get so close to them that sometimes they don't even realize that they are being photographed. Now the rotating or the variable screen allows me to just tilt it and then look at them, and while I'm talking to them I can just snap, and sometimes I will capture the expressions of them in that special moment, being frozen in time. And this is very important for my photography, because my photography means that I get very personalized to my subjects, as well as I build friendship and relationship with them. I do a lot of streets. Now, what is street photography? Street photography is capturing those candid moments on the streets. And our street doesn't mean that you have to show streets. Street photography is like photography in public places. Okay, so when you go photographing in public places, which we call street photography, one handheld features of this Sony A7C is that it allows you to go around everywhere and then capture those candid moments of the people that you photograph in the streets or in any public places. And I'm very impressed with Sony's innovation and creativity in condensing all the full frame benefits as well as positiveness into this very compact and light camera, and I can just hold with one hand and shoot it. And this is the new Sony A7C.